honor of Cybersecurity Awareness Month, being October, I'm going to do a video on how to make your own password generator. We're going to be using Bash. Weak password is one of the most common causes for people's accounts to be hacked or breached or anything like that. So I'm going to jump right in. We'll open up Terminal here. And if you're not familiar with Bash scripting, you should be, because it's very powerful. You can make your own kind of scripts to automate things for you, especially if you're into bug bounty. So we're going to open up. I'm going to use Mousepad to do this. We'll call it password, or I'll just call it passgen. I'm going to do .sh. That's just signifying that this will be a bash script. We'll get that opened up. Okay, so to start, we're going to do a hash symbol with an exclamation point. This is called a shebang. I'm going to do /bin/bash. This is just to define how you want this to be interpreted. It's going to be as a bash script. I'm going to jump down from here. We'll add a comment in here. You're just going to do the hash symbol. I'm just going to call this password generator. So this is a very simple script. You guys could be able to use this to generate passwords in the future. You can pick how many characters you want it to be. Like length is like 10, 15, 20, whatever you want it to be. It'll generate it for you. Usually 25 is an amazing length, especially with variable characters, making it pretty much impossible to crack. So this would be really good if you guys want to use this for like websites that you use or something like that. If you just need to change passwords, come in, generate you one real quick, and then make sure you save it so that you'll have it. But very simple to use. If this is a kind of your intro into scripting too, this is a very simple script. I plan on doing some more videos in the future on bash scripting, how to automate things. So skip down a couple lines. We'll type in echo. What echo does is prints to the screen, kind of like using print if you were doing Python. So I'm going to say, welcome to my password generator. You can put whatever you want in here, whatever you want it to say, or you don't even have to put anything at all if you don't want to. So, throw exclamation on here, close the quotes, and we'll echo again. This will be like the instructions of what you need to do. I'll say, please enter a number for how long you want the password to be. Colon, space, closing quotation. So next, now that I have this echo in here with what I'm asking for, so the user is going to put in a number here, whether it be you or if you're using the script for somebody else or whatever have you. So I'm going to jump down. I wanted to read this. I'm going to call it pass length. And notice I use an underscore here. You can't use a space between words in bash, kind of like Python. So we'll jump down. We'll do we'll see, pn. We're going to do sequence for this. We'll do $, sequence 1. So this is selecting column 1, which fix the typo. 1. And you'll do a closing parentheses and a semicolon to close that out. So you have a choice. Now, if you leave this as 1, it'll give you 1 password. If you want it to give you multiple to kind of choose from, you can add a second number here. Like, skip a space. Say I want it to give me 3 options, so we'll do 3. So we'll go down, we'll hit do. Skip down, tab over. We want to use OpenSSL for this. And the module in that is for random. And we're going to use base64 encoding, which gives us more character selection for it to generate your password with. And there's 48 variations in base64 as far as characters, so you'll have a good variety and harder to crack. Then we're going to cut out the column 1 with our variable we defined as pass length. And we go back, and then we're done. Let me save this. Let me review real quick, make sure I got everything. Welcome to password generator. Please enter a number for how long you want the password to be, or read the pass length, which is here. For P and sequence 1, I want 3 passwords given to me. We'll do that. OpenSSL, random base64, 48. I'll cut it out. Let's see, 1. And then password length, which is the variable. this pass length is this. So you can call this whatever you want to, but just make sure whatever you do the read as, what you're marking this variable for this as, is the same here. Hit done. Oh, saved it. So I'll go back to the terminal. Go back to the terminal. Add a new tab here. You can see I have this here, passgen.sh. We will have to change the permission on this, so you'll have permission to execute. Do a change mod plus x and then passgen.sh. This will change the permission on this file to give us executable permission so that we can execute the shell command. Enter that. Okay. And then to run it, we're going to do /passgen.sh. See, it's welcome to my generator, which is what we put on the first echo. The next echo was please enter a number for how long you want your password to be. Let's do 25. Hit enter. So here's 3 passwords, 25 characters. You'll notice that they contain uppercase, lowercase numbers, symbols like this one has a plus, this one has a /. So very useful. Like I said, guys, if you want to type this out yourself, have your own bash script to make your own password generator, to be more secure, especially like I said, being Cybersecurity Month, it's just kind of time for awareness and get people to quit using weak passwords to make it harder for these criminals that keep breaking into everything. All right, guys, it's simple as that. Is making your bash scripts for your passwords. If you don't care, comment, like, subscribe. If you like this material and want to see more of it, let me know that as well. Or if you do this yourself, maybe send me your links to your GitHub if you post it, or if you do a video, just share the information. And if you have any suggestions for future bash scripting for automation in the future, just shout that out as well.